Motion is not progress. A rocking chair moves, it creaks, it sways back and forth, but it goes absolutely nowhere. You are the hamster. You call it hustle. You call it grinding. You work 12 hours a day. You answer emails at midnight. You pride yourself on exhaustion. But look at your bank account. Look at your empire. Nothing has changed. You are not fighting a war. You are just making noise. And in the Arthashastra, noise is not a strategy. It is a signal to your enemies that you are weak. Today, we dissect why you are busy, tired, and losing. And we replace your broken to-do list with the ruthless algorithm of the Mauryan Empire. Acharya Chanakya did not have a productivity planner. He did not use the Pomodoro technique. He was a man who swore a vow to destroy the most powerful dynasty in India, the Nandas. And he did it with nothing but his mind. He ran an empire of spies, assassins, and generals. Every move was calculated. Every second was weaponized. If Chanakya saw your schedule today, he would not call you hardworking. He would call you a fool. He understood the Triad of Conquest. Desha, Kala, Patra, time, place, and context. You ignore these laws. That is why you are burning out. You are trying to grow lotuses in a desert. You are trying to fight a war in the dark. Let us fix your broken strategy. 3 lessons. Apply them, or remain a hamster forever. Lesson 1. Desha, the design of the battlefield. In Chanakya Niti, it is written, Tyaja durjan samsagam, baja sadhu samagamam. Cast away the company of the wicked, seek the company of the wise. But let's pivot this to your reality. The wicked today is not a person. It is your environment. You try to do deep work with your phone face up on the desk. You try to build a business with 20 tabs open. You are a general trying to draft a peace treaty in the middle of a nightclub. Pattern interrupt. Do you think you have willpower? You don't. Willpower is a finite resource. Every time your eyes flicker to a notification, your IQ drops by 10 points. Chanakya would not tolerate a spy in his war room. Your phone is a spy. It reports your attention to advertisers. It steals your focus for Silicon Valley. The strategy, the monk cell. When you enter your workspace, the phone stays outside, not on silent. Outside. Your desk should look like a cockpit, not a cafeteria. If it is not essential for the mission, it is an obstacle. Remove it. If you cannot sit in a room alone with your thoughts for 60 minutes, you are not a leader. You are an addict. Lesson 2. Kala, the timing of the strike. Most of you work whenever you can. You treat 10 a.m. the same as 10 p.m. This is biological suicide. The Arthashastra is obsessed with muhurtas, specific units of time for specific actions. Kings did not sleep in. The sutra is clear. One who disregards the factor of time destroys the fruit of his actions. The Brahma Muhurta, the time before sunrise, roughly 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the modern world. This is the only time the enemy is asleep. The emails have stopped. The social media feed is stale. The world is quiet. Pattern interrupt. Are you a night owl? Stop lying to yourself. You are not creative at night. You are just hiding from the expectations of the day. Real predators hunt at dawn. If you want to get ahead of the 99%, you must do your highest value work before they even brush their teeth. Move your revenue-generating activity to the Brahma Muhurta. Do the hard thing first. Eat the frog while the rest of the world is eating cereal. By 10:30 a.m., you should have already won the day. The rest is just maintenance. Let's us pause. Be honest with me. On a scale of 1 to 10, how focused were you today? Did you hunt like a lion? Or did you graze like a sheep? Don't just think it. Own it. Go to the comments right now. Type your number. If it is a 3, type a 3. Shame is a powerful motivator. If it's a 10, prove it. I'll wait. Good. Now, let's just fix your energy. Lesson 3. Patra, the capacity of the vessel. You believe that if you sit at your computer for 12 hours, you have done 12 hours of work. This is the factory worker mindset. It has no place in high-level strategy. Chanakya knew that a king who is exhausted makes fatal errors. The sutra teaches, the strength of the arrow depends on the bow, but the distance depends on the archer's stance. If your stance is weak, if your energy is drained, your arrows will fall short every time. Stop managing your time. Start managing your energy. When your mental battery hits 10%, you are not pushing through. You are creating mistakes that you will have to fix tomorrow. You are writing bad code. You are drafting emotional emails. You are making poor investment decisions. Pattern interrupt. Do you think a lion runs laps around the jungle for exercise? No. The lion sleeps for 20 hours. It hunts for 1. But when it hunts, it does not miss. The strategy: sprint and recover. Work for 90 minutes with the intensity of a demon. Then stop completely. Walk away. Stare at a wall. Hydrate. Reset the vessel. If you cannot disconnect, you cannot reconnect. Desha, Kala, Patra. Control your environment. Master your timing. Protect your energy. Do this, and you stop being the hamster. You become the architect of your own fate. But be warned, even if you master your schedule, there is a silent killer waiting for you. It is not burnout. It is not distraction. It is something the Arthashastra calls alasya. You are productive today, but are your friends dragging you back into mediocrity? Is your comfort zone seducing you? Laziness is not a habit. It is a death sentence. Click this video here. Laziness is a death sentence. The Alasya trap. I will see you there.